welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a Sunday reset day where I'm gonna organize my room, put all my clothes away. Just came from the laundry. I washed all my uniform, all my clothing that I had sitting for a while because I was on vacation for 10 days. I'm back and I'm better. If you guys haven't seen my vlog, please make sure you guys check out my last vlog. Like, comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on that bell, guys, so when I post that video, you guys will know when I post my video, okay? So just enjoy this video, and yeah, and just give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. If you guys want to see more of this video of me organizing, cleaning, and fixing my room or the house or anything like that, just make sure you guys comment down below. If you guys want to see, self-care videos, laundry day videos, just let me know, because I'm trying to do different contents for you guys. I don't want to bore you guys with just, vlog and tutorials. I would like to do something different. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and yeah, enjoy. Right now I'm just gonna unload my laundry. I'm gonna remove all the clothes out of the bag and then fold them up and just put them back in the drawer, because I need to make space, y'all. Like, I have so much clothes in the closet I haven't worn yet. I have to wash them, so I'm trying to make space for all my new clothes, which I'm not buying no clothes no time soon right now. I just like to have extra space just in case if I need to buy some stuff or order some stuff, to put my new things in. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Like you saw in the beginning of the video, I organized everything to make some space for my clothes that I did laundry, and some just folding, like my shirts, my panties, my bras, and everything that you guys want to see, in this video. That's what I'm doing. So I did fold while I was in the laundry, but of course when you put the clothes in the bag, it's like all messed up. So I'm trying to put everything back, how I found it, like folded up. So I'm refolding it and put it in the drawer. So now I'm just gonna fix my blankets and my pillows and the sheets and everything. I already put the sheets on the bed off camera, so I'm just dusting off all my my pillowcases, because I had the pillowcase that was furry. All the fur stayed on the pillowcase. I'm trying to remove it. So yeah, so with this big old bed set, it's hard to fix. So I make sure I got like a king size sheets and everything. The only sheet that I hate to put on this bed is the folded sheet. I think that's what you call it. The one that always, comes up when you try to put it in the corner. Yeah, I hate that part. But I'm just making sure that was fully in the, the bed. I had to climb on it to make sure all the corners, was tucked in. And yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing now. And afterwards, I'll just, fold my blankets and put the pillow back in, because I bought some new Calvin Klein pillows from Marshalls. I don't know if it was Marshalls or Burlington. I think I got my new pillows from Burlington, yeah. So if you guys want to see me do a vlog and, me going to Burlington Marshalls, let me know so I can show you guys what I like to buy, like for like bedroom sets and pillows and things like that, okay? Ooh, child, you guys know me. Like, I gotta take me a little water break. I am so thirsty. And yes, I do have a mini fridge because I like to have my little, late night snacks. Well, I don't really eat no late night snacks or whatnot. I just like to have my own little thing in my room. You feel me? My own little mini kitchen. So yeah, so I got that fridge from Walmart, which it wasn't too expensive. If you want like a little mini fridge, you can, get it at Walmart, Target, anywhere, like, or Amazon, but I got mine from Walmart. But yeah, I like to have my little snacks, my juice, my water. You gotta hydrate yourself, all this cleaning and fixing clothes and laundry day got me so dehydrated, y'all. Yeah. my room is clean. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video. Hope you guys enjoy my Sunday reset laundry day, cleaning day type of vibe video. Comment down below and make sure you guys, give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, once you subscribe, make sure you guys click on the notification bell. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.